Today we're going to determine whether two quantities are proportional by graphing them on a coordinate plane. Some of the vocabulary we're going to look at is what a coordinate plane is, what quadrants are, and what an ordered pair is, x-coordinate, y-coordinate, y-axis, the origin, and x-axis. The slowest mammal on Earth is a tree sloth. It moves at a speed of 6 feet per minute. Determine whether the number of feet the sloth moves is proportional to the number of minutes it moves by graphing on the coordinate plane. Explain your reasoning. So the first thing that we want to take a look at is that the question is asking to determine whether the number of feet the sloth moves is proportional to the number of minutes it moves. So this is going to be just like what we had done in the last lesson. We're going to make a table for 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 minutes, and how many feet that they walked for those minutes. So after 0 minutes, they went 0 feet. After 1 minute, we have 6 feet. 2 minutes is 12 feet. 3 minutes is 18 feet, and 4 minutes is 24 feet. Step 2 is going to be to graph the ordered pairs on the coordinate plane and then connect the ordered pairs. So the coordinate plane is just going to be the graph that we have without any dots, without any lines. And then the ordered pair is going to be time and distance. So time is going to be your x value, and distance is going to be your y value. And so when we graph those we have 0, 0, so x is 0, y is 0, so we put it here. And then we have x is 1 and y is 6, so we go 1 and then up to 6. We have x is 2 and y is 12, so we go over to 2, up 12. X is 3, y is 18, so we go to 3 and up to 18. And then we have x is 4 and y is 24, so we go over to 4 and up to 24. And then we connect those dots right there. So the line is going to pass through the origin, which is the 0, 0 mark, and then it's a straight line. So the number of feet traveled is going to be proportional to the number of minutes. Another way that we could find out if it was proportional is if we divided just like we did in the last lesson. So we have 0 divided by 0 is always going to be 0, so that's going to pass right through the origin right here. 1 over 6 is going to be 1/6. 2 over 12 can be reduced to 1/6. 3 over 18 can also be reduced to 1/6. And 4 over 24 can be reduced to 1/6. So each one is going to be reduced to 1/6, so we know it's proportional. Example number 2, the cost of renting video games from Games Inc. is shown in the table. Determine whether the cost is proportional to the number of games rented by graphing on the coordinate plane. Explain your reasoning. So here we have the table, and we have the number of games and the cost. So number 1 is going to be to write the two quantities as ordered pairs. So our x is going to be the number of games, and the cost is going to be our y. So the ordered pairs are going to be 1, 3, 2, 5, 3, 7, and 4, 9. Step 2, graph the ordered pairs on the coordinate plane. Then connect the ordered pairs and extend the line to the y-axis. So we take these ordered pairs, so we go 0, 0, 1, 3, 2, 5, 3, 7, and 4, 9. So the line is not passing through the origin, so the cost of the video games is not proportional to the number of games rented. And then we can check this because the first one is 1, 3. 1 divided by 3 is 0.33. And then The next one is 2 divided by 5, but 2 divided by 5 does not equal 0.33.